Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this step-by-step DIY video today, we are going to do a cosmetic mod on my 2022 BMW M340i. What we're going to do today is we're going to install the painted reflectors from I&D Distribution. It definitely adds a nice look to your BMW. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get this DIY started. All right, once you have your wheel turned inward, so that way we have this little gap here. This will allow for you to get right back behind here where the old reflector is gonna push this way and you'll be able to pull it out right here. And then we're gonna put the new I&D one sliding in the back here so that way it can stay in place right there. You don't really need much for this process. We'll need a heat gun, so I'm gonna use my Wagner heat gun so that way we can heat up the stock adhesive that's right here. And then also you have the option when you go with the painted reflector through I&D, you can opt for just the optional tool like this, which helps get in between and kind of cut through that adhesive tape that's right along the backside. So it definitely helps, but by all means it's not required. Let's go ahead and heat this up. So you don't want to get too close to the paint. Easy strokes up and down. Go up underneath it like this. Just go ahead and keep working on it. If you need to continue to use more heat, use this tool to help try to pry out that last glue at the top. And pull it straight out this way. We're next going to take some rubbing alcohol. Get nice and wet there on your rag. And make sure you clean everywhere where it's going to have that new adhesive at. Now that we're ready to go ahead and install it, take it right here, peel back, basically where they overpaint at, where your sticky part's going to go. Fully guide it in here. All the way up. Go ahead and hold for about like 20-30 seconds. And there you have it. Well guys, that does it for the video today, installing the painted reflectors from I&D Distribution. Really, it's a simple mod that just changes the look of the car to get rid of those amber reflectors and get it paint matched to your exact paint color. Everything I used in the video today will be down in the description box below. Big thumbs up on today's video. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Check out all the many other great videos I have here for you today. Other than that, I hope you guys have a great end of your week, and we'll chat with you soon. Take care.